Good morning.
Good morning.
4:30 in the morning. May's on the move. We are at the Memphis airport.
That is correct.
We had a decent night's sleep. I recommend our hotel. It was Fairfield Inn and Suites.
South Haven, Mississippi.
And it was just a really quick drive here. Just straight down Airway Road, I think it was. Yeah. So anyway, here we are. We got some delicious coffee right here. And we are catching our flight to Miami. We are taking a 10-day cruise with Norwegian. And Papa can tell you at least one or two of the places that we're going.
I think we have 8 ports, maybe. I don't know.
I know one of them.
St. Kitts.
Our first one's the
St.
Dominican.
Martin, Dominican. A lot of places.
Puerto Rico. Yeah, looking forward to it. Catch you later.
Someday you're going to get this thing figured out.
No, this is We've made it to Miami Airport. We've jumped ahead 1 hour. It's 9 o'clock.
We're waiting on our transportation from the cruise line bus. I guess is what we're going to get on. I've purchased it. And there's a waiting area in the Miami Airport. So when you get here, there's people with signs. It's right by the baggage, so you can't miss it.
That's right. All right. Everything's going great so far. It was a great flight.
Peace.
Hi, y'all.
We made it.
We're on floor
17?
16. We're at Spice H2O, our favorite place. We were smart this time. We put our bathing suits and our backpacks, and we are ready to rock and roll. It's a warm 77 degrees.
Yeah, they said it was 2 o'clock, but we could get in our room, so we're going to chill here.
Yeah, I'll give you a little scan of the place. I want to get in those chairs right over there. Papa's headed that way. View of the city of Miami, where we're at port. So pretty out here. Still waiting on our room to be ready. It's about 2 o'clock. We're going to head over to the pool, and hopefully they call us soon. Alright, first look at the room. Just got in. Have no idea where our luggage is. They put it out in the hallway. So this is a bathroom, quite roomy. Nice little cabinet here to put your things in, and a little trash can. I didn't discover that last time until we had been on the trip for several days. Shower, compact, but hey, it gets the job done. Has a nice little rod here, not a rod, but a little drying string. So that's nice if you need to wash something. They do have laundry service, but of course that's an extra expense. It says here they're having a military reception. So that sounds kind of neat. This little table pulls out, little ottoman. It's great for room service. Little refrigerator in here. Over here is our closet. Lots of space in the closet. And there's a safe, so that's nice. I like to put money and jewelry in there. Ample space to hang things. It's nice and long. Little side tables. Nice roomy couch. Small TV. And in here there's some little storage compartments too. So there is a lot of storage, I feel like. And you can fit your suitcases under the bed once we find ours. And we have a deck. We're just looking at a parking lot right now. All right. Papa and I are ready for a nap. We're going to locate our luggage, take a little siesta, and we'll catch you later. All right, y'all, guess what? The nap never really happened.
I drink an energy drink, so there went my nap.
So we went down and watched the party, the takeoff party, and it was fun. The
Wild.
the best people watching ever. So we're dressed for dinner, so you can see you don't have to get overly dressed up. Just freshened up. This is our Buffalo Trace Old Fashioned. Signature drink for cruises, I think.
Toast.
Here we go. It's our first toast of the day.
Cheers.
Cheers to the Caribbean.
It's good.
It's delicious. All right, we just walked into a bar. Like, we thought it was going to be a comedy show,
Yeah.
but evidently it's dueling pianos, and everybody's excited, and it's very crowded.
We're not even sure what time it is. Apparently it's almost 9 o'clock, so we're looking forward to whatever we're going to see here.
There's no time on the ship, right?
It's
No
like
time.
being in Las Vegas. There ain't no clocks.
Day 1 was a hit. 10 out of 10. We enjoyed the dueling pianos. We went back to the room and ordered some room service. We absolutely loved the pizza. Please like and subscribe. We have 10 more days on the getaway.